Hi guys, this is Jam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Juicy Couture Make It Real Crystal Sunshine Bracelets. What is actually interesting with this product is that it can create a stunning signature jewelry, and it says here that it is embellished with crystals from Swarovski, which is really interesting. That's why I bought this product. I'm actually really not into the product itself, but also I'm into the packaging. What I can say about the packaging is that it's really elegant, and as you can see from the actual box, it looks like it has some sort of different designs, which has the color black and gold, which really makes this product so elegant and premium. So let's take a look what contains in the box. It actually says that it has 7 charm bracelets with elastic cord, with fox with lace, cotton thread, various beads, jump rings, unique charms with Swarovski crystals, and instructions. And it says here all the choking hazard or attention with the websites, their Instagram account for the makeitrealplay.com of the Juicy Couture Make It Real products. Well, I'm really so excited to open the product, and it was so easy. So all you have to do is just slide up the carton at the top portion of this carton. Alright, let's see. Wow, this is really amazing. And as you can see, all of the designs, just crystals, some heart shapes, and the actual carton is a hard carton, which really makes it so fantastic and premium. Okay, so this is the actual look once you just open the box. It actually includes these 5 colors of the cotton thread, which includes with several types of beads, different colors with some jump rings, and these are the pendant charms, which I really love the most because they are embellished with Swarovski crystals. And this one, which including the elastic strings and some different types of beads as well with different colors. Let me take a look for you to see. And yeah, there are some other strings that you can actually use to create some bracelets or chokers. And at the bottom of the box, you will have this Make It Real instructions, and you will definitely see different instructions on how you will able to make some designs, which I really love the most because I have to be honest, this is my first time to make a bracelet, so I really need this manual, which will really help me the most. Well, for the final look, let's take a look at some of the embellished Swarovski crystals charms, which is really so nice and elegant. And I was really so excited to make these charms in the future. I hope you liked my unboxing video for today, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe on my channel, like and share, and click the notification bell for you to see my latest videos. See you soon. Bye.